Hi everyone, my name is Nicole Leahy and I'm a student at Touro College. This is a simulated lesson for Dr. Levy's Introduction to Students with Disabilities class. The topic of this lesson is identifying the upper and lowercase letter A, and the target grade is kindergarten. This lesson addresses two Common Core standards. The first standard involves understanding the organization and basic features of print, and the specific standard addressed is RFK1D, which is to recognize and name all upper and lowercase letters of the alphabet. And the second standard involves conventions of standard English, and that would be LK1B, which is to print many upper and lowercase letters. The learning objectives of the lesson is to identify the upper and lowercase letter A, identify words that begin with the letter A by listening or sounding it out, visually identify words that begin with the letter A, and to trace and print upper and lowercase letter A. To introduce the lesson, the teacher would present a magic box that would be filled with various items. Some of these items will start with the letter A and some of them will not. Each student would take a turn picking items out of the box without looking, and then they will decide if that item starts with the letter A or if it doesn't. These are some of the letter A items that would be in the magic box. An apple, alligator, astronaut, ambulance, airplane, and an ant. And then just to reiterate, there also would be items in the box that do not start with the letter A, so children would have to decide what they chose, whether or not it actually starts with A or not. To develop the lesson, the teacher would then go ahead and play the Letter A Song by abcmouse.com. Students would then be asked to name words from the song that begin with the letter A, words that they can remember from the song. And as they're naming the words, the teacher would make a chart of all those words that the students identified. And then she would play the song again and pause it throughout the video so the students can actually visually identify those words that start with the letter A. To practice their understanding of the lesson, I would hand out letter A worksheets that contain different pictures. Students would have to then color in the pictures that start with the letter A, and then at the bottom of the worksheet they would trace and then write the upper and lowercase letter A. To check that the students understood the lesson, they would be asked to identify the letter A from a field of 3 different letters. And to close the lesson, I would review the chart with the letter A words that we identified from the video, and the students would be asked to pick one word from that chart and draw a picture corresponding to that word. Thank you for watching.